Cookie. Cookie, who's that? What's in there?
You made fun of me.
Cookie, what's in there? Cookie, what's in there? What's in there? What's in there?
Very funny.
Did you get something from Lalik? What's from Lalik? What's in there? What's in there? Cookie. Cookie, what's in there? Cookie.
She got a cord?
Cookie, what's in there? What's that? Look, look. Cookie, you got a cord. A very pretty handwriting cord. Oh, Cookie, healthy hearts. Look, they're hearts for Valentine's Day. What's that? That's from Lalik. Can you open it? Go ahead. Go ahead. Open it. Cookie, what's in here? Cookie, what's in here? You're not very good at this wrapping paper thing, Cooks. Go ahead. Cookie. Cookie, look, they're leg warmers. They're gonna keep your little skinny legs warm. Don't kill them. Cookie, don't kill the leg warmers. Cookie, tell Daddy, take that out of my mouth.
Hey,
Cookie.
Cookie.
Cookie, what's this? Cookie. Good Daddy.
Daddy's so tricky.
Cookie, what's this? Cookie. Cookie, what's this? Oh, Cookie. Cookie, it's a scarf. Look, it's a scarf. You're gonna be so warm for the holidays. What did say thank you for your Christmas gift? And your treats? You want treats? Cookie, say thank you. Thank you, Lalik. Thank you, Lalik, and your beautiful mommy.
Thank you, Lalik, and your beautiful mommy.
Hee hee hee. Get those treats out of the bag.